Hi everyone, this is Arun Reddy here. Welcome to my YouTube channel Arun Reddy Tech for You. In this video, lookup function part 7, we are going to convert our VLOOKUP into dynamic VLOOKUP. To convert VLOOKUP into dynamic VLOOKUP, we will use VLOOKUP plus column or VLOOKUP plus match, and we'll compare both VLOOKUP plus column and VLOOKUP plus match. So friends, if you want to learn Excel, you can go through my channel playlist. In playlist, you can find Excel for beginner folder which contains 33 videos and Excel level 2 folder which contains 38 videos. And if you don't want to miss my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. And coming to the Excel, you can see there is a student marks table which contains row student name, max, science, social marks. Now I have a roll number. Now I want to get student name, max, science, social marks. For this I will use VLOOKUP first. So let us start with VLOOKUP and let us see what are the drawbacks we have with the VLOOKUP and how to overcome the drawbacks by using VLOOKUP plus column and VLOOKUP plus match. So let me start with VLOOKUP. So let me type VLOOKUP. First one is a lookup value, comma, next it's a table, whole table, comma, next column index 2, next exact match. So if I type 0, it's exact match. If I type 1, it's a approximate match. So let me type 0, close bracket, enter. Nice. Now you can say I got the student name Bhavani. So roll number 1101, what it is? Student name is Bhavani. Nice. Suppose if I insert a column, see, I have inserted a column between roll number and student name. So what happens? Now I got the wrong answer. Why I got the wrong answer? Because now column index 2, what is the, which one is the second index? Sorry, second column. It's a empty column, right? So that's why I got answer 2. So now where is the student name? It's in the third. So what again I have to go to the VLOOKUP. I have to change the column index into 3. Enter. Nice. Now if I delete the column, what happens? Let us see, I delete the column. Now what happens? Student name has become second one and max marks has become a third column, right? So now what it is showing? It is showing marks. Why it is showing max marks? Because your column index is 3. Now again I have to change into 2. Enter. Right. So whenever we insert and delete, what happens? Our column index is not changing. So that's why we are facing the problem. Same way, now if I want to get max, science, social marks, so what I will do, I will just drag this and see. So before dragging, let me fix the table so it will not change. So I will use absolute reference function F4, right, and a dollar symbol before H also. So my lookup value will not change. So I will use dollar symbol before H. Enter. Right. So let me drag this. So when I drag, what happens? See, again I am getting the same answer, student name in place of max, science, social. Why I am getting the student name? Because my column index is not changing. So when once if my column index change, so automatically I will have the correct answer. So I can solve the two problems whenever I insert the column or delete the column, or whenever I drag, I will get the right answer. So if my column index change, what happens? I will get the right answer whenever I insert the column or delete the column, or whenever I drag, right? So let us see first how we can change the column index. For example, if I replace column index with the columns, for example, I will type here. First, let us see how our columns work, so you can understand easily how to use column VLOOKUP plus columns, right? So let me type columns. So now I will select the first two and I will fix the before. So I will use function F4, right? So let me close the bracket. See what I am getting? I am getting 2. So if I use columns in place of column index, I will get 2, right? For example, if I drag this one, what happens? See, it is automatically changing 3, 4, 5, right? So now my problem will solve when I drag the VLOOKUP, right? So because my column index will change automatically with the help of column, right? Same way, if I insert a column or row, so you can see here 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So automatically it will change 3, 4, 5, 6. So let me insert a column between roll number and student name. So if I insert, see, automatically my column index will change to 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So when if I use the column, so what happens? Sorry, if I use the column, automatically I am solving two problems which I am facing, right, with the VLOOKUP. What are the two problems? If I insert or delete the column, or if I drag, I will get the exact answer because my column index will automatically change. So now let me include the column index. So I will just remove the column index and I will type column. Okay, columns, select the two columns, student roll number and student name, close bracket. Okay, so and I want to fix the before, so I will use function F4, enter. Nice. Now let me drag and check. See, so what I got, see, max, science, social, Bhavani, max marks 65, science marks 89, social marks 97. Nice, because my column index is changing by using the columns, right? Suppose the same column if I drag down, so let us see what happens. See, my column index is not changing, so I am happy I will get the answer if I drag down also. So let me drag here. See, now what happens, I got the 1103, it's a Mishra 69, 97 and 75. The same way it's a Imtiaz 1105, 90 marks, 90 marks, 65 marks, 65 marks, 89 marks, 89 marks. Nice. Now here I have solved my problem by using column. For example, in place of column, if I use match, so let us see how match will work. So I will use match. So I will type is equal to match, select the column. So what is the VLOOKUP? So here is the VLOOKUP, right? So student name. So according to the column heading, it should change, right? So before that, I will use a dollar symbol. So it number will not change. Okay, right, comma. Now what is the match I want to, okay, so where I have to match, here, whole row, starting row. Okay, so comma. Now I will select the exact match, close bracket, enter. Nice, same, just like column I got the same answer. So let me fix the column by using function F4, enter. Now let me drag this. So if I drag, see, automatic I got the same answer. Which when I use the column also, columns also, I got the same answer, 2 3 4 5. Let me drag this down. Nice, see, again 2 3 4 5. Nice. Now my problem will also, my sorry, now I will can solve my problem by using columns and match. So now let me use the match here. So I will type VLOOKUP, select the lookup value, comma, table array. So let me select whole table array, comma. So let me fix the H by using dollar symbol, and let me fix the table array by using function F4. Right, now let me start with the match. So I'll start match, 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 open bracket. So which is the lookup value, student name. So after I will use dollar symbol for 12. Okay, now comma. So which one I want to match. So I want select whole column, comma, exact match, close bracket, comma, again exact match for the VLOOKUP, close bracket, enter. Nice. So let me fix the column. Okay, so I will use function F4. Okay, enter. Right, now let me drag this one. Nice, let me drag down. Nice. Now my VLOOKUP has become a dynamic VLOOKUP by using VLOOKUP plus column and VLOOKUP plus match. But there is a one difference between VLOOKUP plus column and VLOOKUP plus match. Suppose if you ask me which one we will use, VLOOKUP plus column or VLOOKUP plus match, I will use VLOOKUP plus match. Why? Because if you don't have your columns in a order, for example, if you have a order, your VLOOKUP plus column will work. For suppose instead of max science, it has a science and max. So your columns are not according to your table. So your VLOOKUP plus column will not work. So let me show you example. So what I will do, I will just copy the science and paste in place of max. Okay, same way I will copy the max and I will paste in place of science. See what is happening? The answer are same. The answers are not changing. So VLOOKUP plus column will work as per the order of your table. But if you come to the VLOOKUP plus match, what happens? If you change, so let me change the signs. So I will just paste here signs. See, when I paste signs, see, automatically 89, 97, 65. You can see here also signs, here also signs. And if I copy the max and paste on the signs, what happens? See, automatically now VLOOKUP plus match is a perfect dynamic VLOOKUP, right? So comparing to the VLOOKUP plus column, VLOOKUP plus match is a perfect dynamic VLOOKUP where it will change according to the column heading. So if you don't have a proper order of your columns, then also your VLOOKUP plus match will work exactly. Nice, right? So hope you have understood, right? So friends, keep practicing. Thank you.